Today's topic is kinds of sentences. What are the kinds of sentences? We have four kinds of sentences such as declarative, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Can you identify what is declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory with the punctuations that is used? We'll look into it in detail. So that declarative sentence is also called as assertive sentence. So what is an assertive sentence? It is a sentence that states a fact. It is just a simple statement. It's called as assertive. Assertive or declarative is a simple statement or it states a fact. For example, the train is late today. So this is assertive sentence which is end with a full stop. Imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that gives a command or it could be a request also. For example, Vivek, go to your room at once. So it is an order. This kind of order or command is called as imperative sentence, where this sentence is also end with a punctuation mark called full stop. Interrogative sentence means it asks a question. For example, where is my pen? So here the punctuation used is question mark. Interrogative sentence means question mark, which is a questioning sentence. Exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences means it expresses sudden and strong feelings. What a shame. So which is a very strong feeling where it is end with the exclamatory mark. So one more time, a declarative means it is a statement which ends with full stop. Interrogative means it is a questioning sentence which ends with question mark. Exclamatory means it is a statement, a very strong feeling which ends with exclamatory mark, whereas imperative means it is either a command or a request. So when it is a command, it is made in a strong way which is used exclamatory punctuation and both the full stop. We'll have a recap of it. So statement tells something. It is a full stop. The cat is white. So questioning. Do you remember what is questioning sentence? Yes. Interrogative sentence. It asks something. Question mark. Is the cat white? Exclamation shows strong feeling. Exclamatory mark. The gift is here. So command. Tell us to do something. Full stop or the exclamatory mark. Put the box down. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.